Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. Before we get started, do me a favor. Go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, as you can see, I am back with the 10X income system. This system is really taking off. Okay, it is on fire right now. Okay, a lot of people are getting started with it. I think they said we had 154 people that came in last week. That's just amazing. Okay, I'm going to go over to the Facebook group. We're going to go take a look at it. But this reseller program, okay, what is the attraction that you're seeing? Okay, number one, the price point I think is great and affordable for everybody. $297 to get started. That allows you to become a reseller of this program. You sell the system. Every time someone goes to your link, they purchase, you make $297 commissions. Okay, 100% commissions. It's $19.99 a month for your website. The first 30 days you don't even have to pay for. Okay, so you'll get started. You pay your $297. You're gonna pick one of the traffic packages, and there you have it. They're gonna set up your website and they're gonna do the marketing for you using Google ads and some other things she's added, some Facebook ads. She's added a lot more marketing strategies to it. But the bottom line is, when you buy the traffic, you don't have to do any of the marketing. Okay, so it's no complicated setup, no experience or technical skills needed, but you do need to know how to copy and paste. Okay, because when you go in your back office, the instructions are going to be that you're going to have to copy and paste some pertinent information from your Stripe or PayPal account. Okay, but other than that, that's the only technical thing, if you call that technical, that you would have to do. All right, so I'm going to show you those packages, but this page right here, go ahead and opt into my link. I'll put the link below, besteasywork.com, www.besteasywork.com. Watch this 9-minute video. That's what everybody's looking at, and it does all the selling and telling for you. Okay, so got a couple things I want to cover real quick. Let's go, and I want to answer a question that I see a lot of people asking. Okay, so let's do that real quick before we get to the results. All right, how does traffic work? So here's the answer to that. The 10X reseller traffic options last up to 60 days. So the traffic packages that you'll see in your back office is for 60 days. Okay, according to the package you purchase, your link will be entered into the rotator 1, 2, or 4 times. So there's a $60 package. That means you'll be in the rotator once. There's a $110 package. That means you'll be in the rotator twice. There's a $200 package. That means you're in the rotator 4 times. Okay, if you do not receive a sale in 90 days, you will be left in the rotator for free until you earn at least 1 sale before you need to purchase again. Sales are not guaranteed. We invest as a group and share sales. However, sales are random. We do not control the number of buyers, only clicks. So you guys know that you know, whenever you use any marketing, advertise, any paid traffic, any vendor that you buy your advertising from will tell you, hey, I can't guarantee you sales. I just guarantee you the visitors, the clicks. Okay, so it's no different. The difference here is that it's everything, the resources in your back office, and they're using Google ads, Bing ads, social media ads. Okay, it's not solo traffic. All right, so just want to address that because a lot of people ask that question that I've seen, and they have the answer in your back office. So go check it out. Now I want to show you something else. A lot of people ask, well, hey, I started with a credit card, because you have to pay your $19.99 a month for your website, right? So what if you decide, oh, I need to change my credit card, the one I used when I first signed up, I don't want to use that one anymore to pay my $19.99 a month. So how do I change that out? That's in your back office, so let's go check it out. Okay, so you log in your back office, or your members area, if you will, and go down here, guys. It says 10x website updates and changes. You click there. Okay. Ooh, gotta log back in. Hang on. Okay, wrong one. Okay, I'm logged back in. You come down here where it says $19.99 hosting. Okay, come down here. See where it says $19.99 hosting? Okay, important. $19.99 subscription renewal steps. Please watch full video. Okay, so this right here is where you would go. Okay, so go here, fill this information out. When you click it, it says right here renewal. See? So you fill out your name, your email, your 10x reseller link, and click right here, and then put in that credit card number, hit submit. All right, so that's how you do that. Okay, then one other thing I want to show you as well that I've seen, you know, sometimes people ask this question. If you ordering traffic for the 10x system, guys, you're going to choose this one that says 10x traffic. You do not want to use the one that says premium traffic. Okay, that's external. That's the one if you have another opportunity that you want to promote and you want to use the traffic. Okay, that's that one. But when you're ordering your system for the first time, okay, and getting it set up after you receive your link, you want to order right here at the 10x traffic suite. So you click there, and I want to show you the packages. Okay, so your 5x pack, okay, this is what I just mentioned, $60. Okay, $60 for that one. Your 10x pack, $110 for that one. Okay, your 20K visitors pack is $200. So just depending on which one you want to start with. Okay, so you would be paying your $297. So how much is it to get started? The $297, and then one of those traffic packages. That's it. Your $19.99 will be waived the first 30 days. Okay, that's it, and you're in. Now, I mentioned before, it takes about 7 days to get your referral link from the time that you actually go in and order your system. If you want to expedite that, okay, it's $30. If you want to get your link within 24 hours, it's a one-time $30 expedite. Okay, you can do that. Then once you get that, you still will wait for another email to put you in rotation that will state that you're in rotation and you sign your agreement. Okay, so that will take 7 days. All right, so that is how that will work. Now let's go look at some results. Okay, check it out. All right, let's go check this out here. So when I get a product sold, I receive these super checkout notifications. As you can see right here, let me move this over. I'm at 22. Okay, so these are my results. Some people are making less, some have made more. All right, so we're at 22 as it stands right now. All right, so let's go see what everybody else is doing and what's going on with everybody else. Let's go in the Facebook group. All right, hang on here. All righty, so when I got started just 30 days ago, it was 300 and something members. Now we're at 1.2K members. These are paid members. These aren't just people that they've added in the group and they're looking around and trying to figure out if they want to get started. Paid members. Okay, so let's go check this out. So earlier I stated there was 154 people that joined last week, and that's what she states here. So let's just click on that. The CEO, Tavy D herself, made this post. We appreciate all our new partners. The growth is such a blessing. Processing orders and tracking links fast as we can. So 154 people was added last week. Amazing. So congratulations, Tavy D, for your vision and your creation of the 10x income system. All right, let's see what else we got. All right, we're just going to go over a few of these. Okay, here we go. For the first time ever, I've made 10K online. I think we saw this one before from Letitia. Congratulations to her. She's at 10K in the system. Since she's been with the system, the 10X income system, amazing. Congratulations. Let me just go down. I want to find a few specific ones. Hang on a second. All right, here we go. First traffic sale. Shout out to Karita. Okay. Congratulations, Karita. Says this is her first traffic sale, guys, right here. This is October 22nd. Congratulations. All right, let's keep it going. Here's another one. Yes, woke up to my first sale from traffic. Okay, this was October 22nd as well. Shout out to Lamisha. Okay, so congratulations. All right, let's go take a look at a few more. You'll see people posting their flyers. They're excited. They got some flyers. By the way, when you join me, I got an email I'm going to send you where you can get these flyers made too, where you can post these on social media. All right, here's another one. Good morning. So far, I have made 6 successful sales, 3 organic and 3 traffic. Signed up in August. Shout out to Sade. Congratulations. Organic means these are sales that she's made on her own efforts. Okay. People asked for information. She sent them the link. They signed up. Okay. This is not the done for you. So she had 3 done for you and 3 she did on her own. So congratulations to her. All right. Let's see what else we got in here. People are posting flyers. Here's another one. Shout out to William. Another amazing day from Facebook. Where else can you realistically have $1,000 days? Always thankful. Okay, we can pretty much crown your boy as the 20K earner. Okay, congratulations to him. As you can see right here, he's made 20K with the 10X income system. Amazing results. Okay, guys. All right, let's look at one more. Here's one more. Okay, so this happens to me just now while I was coming up with a domain name, and wow, the system definitely works. This is my first traffic sale. Congratulations to me, to Mia. Okay, shout out to her. So, guys, as you can see, people are having success with the system. Here's one more. One more. Do you see the time difference? Shout out to Shia Gay. Okay, she says here on Saturday at 9:55 p.m. she had a sale, and then Sunday at 12:53. Okay, so that is awesome. Congratulations to all the 10X income system members. Okay, on all your success, guys. This system is booming. If you're not in it, you need to get in it, guys. Okay, so you've just seen just a few folks that's having some success. There's tons of them in the Facebook group. If you're interested, go check out my link below, www.besteasyworkincome.com. Get started with me. I will be sending you a welcome email with some specific instructions. I offer one-on-one ongoing support. I also have a postcard template if you guys are interested in mailing postcards. Okay, so go check it out. Give me a call, jot down your questions if you have any, and reach out to me. Now, with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, see you on the next video. Be safe out there, guys. Have a blessed day.